Dave, do you have any idea where we're going today?
Said bring my camera and meet you downtown. So I'm here.
That's all I said, and that's all you're gonna know until the surprise reveals itself.
What kind of surprise?
This is an action camera, so we gotta do something that's action-worthy.
You can ride bikes. Other than that,
I think we can do a little bit better than that for DJI. So stay tuned.
You ever been on a helicopter?
once.
Cool. Well, we're about to go on it a second time.
Little nervous.
It's good. Here we go.
Hey Jake with BH, this is pretty exciting. I got my hands on the new DJI OSMO Action camera. I just took it on a helicopter ride around New York City. The DJI OSMO Action features ultra bright color screens on both the front and the rear, a unique design feature that allows for easier scene composition while on the move. The rear touchscreen employs a water and fingerprint repellent coating, and the front screen makes vlogging and selfies easier than ever before. And the front screen was crucial for the helicopter shots because I was able to point and know exactly where my face was in relation to the water, in relation to the skyline, in relation to the propellers up above me. Absolutely beautiful design feature. Vloggers are going to love this feature. I don't vlog and I love it. Maybe I'll start vlogging because I love it so much.
That was fun. That was super fun. Can't believe I waited this long to do it. Yeah, fun?
So fun, yeah. Great.
Really glad we didn't have to use this. That was good. Beautiful day. Oh, DJI OSMO Action features a 1/2.3-inch image sensor, shoots 12 megapixel stills, and shoots video at 4K resolution at 60 frames per second at 100 megabits per second for some stunning images. A 3-glass aspherical lens design records low distortion content and aids in reducing warping effects for more appealing footage. Anti-reflective lens coating decreases glare for a natural and balanced scene, even when shooting in direct sunlight, so users can spend less time editing. One of my favorite parts of the DJI OSMO Action has got to be the DJI Mimo app that works with it. So after you're done shooting your footage, like we did today, taking a helicopter ride, I take a lunch break and I turn on my smartphone, I connect it via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and I'm checking playback on my phone. Check this out. our final destination.
What it is, David? Guess we're going to the Intrepid.
This camera already has built-in image stabilization, but on top of that, in 4K 60p, they also have RockSteady mode. So we're going to test to see how stable this is as we walk our way across the catwalk to the USS Intrepid. Should note that I have it on a selfie stick at the moment. It's a really big retired U.S. naval ship, USS Intrepid. Let's go check it out. A lot of fun today pretending to be a tourist in NYC with my buddy Dave. The DJI OSMO Action is the perfect traveler adventure camera between the LCD screens in the front and the rear, the frame rates, the resolution, super fun to use and easy. Might be my next camera that I buy. This is Jake with B&H, just keep shooting. I'm tired. What do you say we go get a latte? Ooh, now we're talking. End of the day.
Now we sound like real New York.
Yeah, OSMO Action. Dope camera. Go check it out.